Fun with fire. Tonight doing a little 200-gram cake from Phantom Fireworks. Pint-sized Powerhouse. It looks like if Hulk Hogan was a luchador, that's what he'd look like. Brother. Hermano. 9 shots. Your item number is the G614S. Packs a punch of alternating effects. Dazzling red tail with silver glitter and red stars. Brilliant blue tail with silver glitter and blue stars. Lucha Libre style. So, let's check out the pint-sized Powerhouse from Phantom Fireworks. And this is like the one I did like a month ago that was a dud. This is its counterpart. Because I think there was a few of them that were just like this. So, hopefully this one's not a dud. So, let's check it out. Alright, let's check this thing out. She's lit. Sweet! Very nice.